Restore reliable cooling with expert evaporator coil replacement in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania from PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, helping your air conditioning system operate more efficiently while improving indoor comfort. Our skilled technicians inspect your HVAC system, replace worn or leaking evaporator coils, and verify refrigerant levels and airflow. Quality installation helps reduce unnecessary strain on your equipment and supports dependable cooling throughout the season. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for an evaporator coil replacement service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is evaporator coil replacement? Evaporator coil replacement is the process of removing a damaged indoor cooling coil and installing a new one to restore efficient airflow, reliable cooling, and overall HVAC system performance safely. What causes an evaporator coil to fail? Common causes include refrigerant leaks, corrosion, dirt buildup, poor maintenance, restricted airflow, frozen coils, electrical issues, and normal wear over time, reducing efficiency and cooling performance significantly if ignored completely. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our evaporator coil replacement service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Folcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania evaporator coil replacement service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.